Hi, Crafty Angels. Vanessa here from Angel Rose Designs here on YouTube. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to your weekly devotional. We are on week 36, and we're going to get that one done. Sipping my tea. And this one is Cast Your Burdens. Oh, okay, here we go. What weighs on your mind today? What is pulling your spirit in different directions and wearing you out? Dear one, God knows about them all. And He understands what you are weak, that you are weak and can only handle so much at a time. That's why He promises to help. He will carry your burdens for you. There's no time or weight limit to make him say, you've reached your quota for the day. His strength is limitless, and no amount of trouble is too hard for Him. He finds great pleasure in helping and caring for your every need. But you've first got to cast them onto His hands, then trust and rest in knowing He's got them under control. Very, very good. I like this reading here. Give your burdens to the Lord, and He will take care of you. Then Jesus said, come to me, and all of you who are weary and carry heavy burdens, I will give you rest. Be courageous. I have conquered the world. I will rejoice and be glad in your faithful love, because you have seen my affection. You have known the trouble of my life. Thanks be to the Lord, who daily carries our burdens for us. God is our salvation. Okay. Lord, thank you for your grace and strength to carry me through this day. I give you my burdens now and rest in knowing you have taken them and that you are with me. I want to thank you all for being here. Please be blessed, be kind, be positive, be safe, and I will see you next week for week 37. Bye-bye for now.